Hi cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward, an amazing platform for learning. Today we will study about Chapter 1 Crayons Color. Chapter 1 Crayon Colors from Art and Activity Skill Book. Do you have crayon colors? Do you have? Then take out your crayons color and Hi Kids Art and Activity Skill Book. Do you have crayon colors? Then take out it. This is our worksheet. Color the crayons as mentioned. Color the crayons as mentioned. Green, which color is this? Green. Now take out your green color and sing with me. Take out your green color and sing with me. Start doing green color. I love colors. Yes, I do. I love colors. Yes, I do. Red and orange, green and blue. Red and orange, green and blue. I love colors dark and bright. I love colors dark and bright. Yellow and purple, black and white. Yellow and purple, black and white. Now start doing coloring slowly and neatly. Which color is this? Green color. I hope you all are enjoying. All of you have done the green color. Next color is purple. Next color is purple. Now take out your purple color. Start doing purple color neatly and slowly. Neatly and slowly. I hope you all are doing. Complete it fast. Green and purple. Green and purple. Now it's turn of yellow color. Take out your yellow color. Take out your yellow color. Start doing yellow color. All of you have done. Now it's turn of blue color. Take out your blue color. Take out your blue color and start doing with me blue color. Which color is this? Blue color. Now it's turn of black color. Take out your black color. Take out your black color. Start doing black color. Neatly. Again, I love colors. Yes, I do. Red and orange, green and blue. I love colors dark and bright, yellow and purple, black and white. Very good. I hope you all are doing. Now it's time to turn off orange color. Take out your orange color and start doing neatly and slowly. Neatly and slowly. All of you have finished this. Now it's time to color white. White. This is already white now. Start doing white color. Then last is red color. Take out your red color and start doing slowly and neatly. Slowly and neatly. Do it fast. Again, we will revise this. Green color, purple color, yellow color, blue color, black color, orange color, white color and red color. White color and red color. I hope you have done. I hope are you enjoying this session and happy learning. Bye bye. See you in the next class.